Today I'm going to tell you about the iGarden K935. Now I've used it several times now and I love this machine. It is a beast of a machine. It cleans really well and it's so very light. I'm going to give you an overview of my favorite technical details about it, as well as show it in the pool and how it runs in some challenging spots on my pool. Now, this was provided for me for my honest review, and I love iGarden products, and I'm going to show you why this cleaner might be the perfect one for you. This KN series has different battery times and strengths, so you can pick the one that's right for your pool size and your battery length time. Now, this one has 210 minutes, and it is backed with a full 2-year warranty, which is really great knowing that you can get everything taken care of by iGarden if you have any problems whatsoever. Now, my favorite features are these. I love the fact that it has this dial system here. It's very simple, easy to go. Sometimes when you get out in the sunshine, the digital screens, while they're very helpful, are a little hard to see. But this dial system is simply 1 hour, 1.5, 2 hours, and max. Very simple. Now here is the app. Now I have the iGarden app with some other pool equipment, so it's easy to see which one is the one you're working on today. The KN series has that unique top, that kind of race car looking top, which I love. So you can simply easily pick floor, walls and floor, or full coverage, start running and stop running. Now, what I really like about this system too is the inverter system allows it to clean only where it's needed. It doesn't waste time on spots where there isn't any dirt. It doesn't just run endlessly. It focuses on where the debris is, which is so helpful. I'm going to show you in the pool now with it on my curved slope walls, which are usually challenging for a lot of pool cleaners, and my stairs. I have a tanning ledge and stairs, and it does it all beautifully. Watch with me till the end and you'll see a graphic outlining these benefits, and you'll see it in my pool. And I also encourage you to like this video if you found it helpful, so you can see more videos from iGarden and great products like these. Now, the other things I like about this pool cleaner that I want to point out is this debris basket. It's very large and it's vertical and it comes out very easily. One slip of a button and you will see. Now, I've already cleaned my pool a few times with this cleaner, so it's pretty clean, but look at the sand it got in there. There's even a bug. Yeah, it gets those nasty bugs out of there so I don't have to deal with them. Simply hose this off. Now, I love this mesh system because there's so many grids here. It cleans off very easily and it keeps all of the icky in here and not in my pool. And I can easily hose it off without having to touch any of the insides. Really like that. Pops back in very easily. The super inverter in the back provides a very large suction, and it has very strong but gentle silicone wheels. It has very strong caterpillar threads and these dual brushes that will scrub the surface, the waterline, and the floors very well. It has this large debris inlet system here and a valance here of silicone, like a rake, that keeps the debris from going the full length of the cleaner, but goes right into the inverter system. It's just very well designed. It's a beast of a machine. I really like it. I think you'll love it.
Now, this super easy startup guide is my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, and you're all set up on the app and in the pool. This was provided for me, and I highly recommend it.
Now let's take a look at it in the pool. One of my favorite tests of pool cleaners is this curved slope wall that I have that's really challenging. Triple brush motor system scrubs everything well, and look how it masters these stairs. It's 5 times more efficient, 2 times longer run times, and 3 times optimized battery lifespan. You have options from 3 to 15 hours with the KN series. This is one of the best. If you like this, follow us and like it for more videos like this.